Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video we will show you how to apply for jobs through the new Brunswick Critical Pilot project. Many people are asking us for jobs, how to apply, emails to these companies, and many other questions. If you haven't watched our video about the new Brunswick Critical Pilot program, please do so. It will help you to understand this video. There is a link to the video in the comments section. The new Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program is a 5-year pilot program that aims at alleviating severe labor shortages in the province of New Brunswick. 6 employers across different industries were selected for this pilot project. This is an employer-driven project that focuses on hiring talented individuals. To qualify for this program, you need a job offer from one of these employers. These 6 employers are Cook Aquaculture Inc., Groupe Savoy Inc., Groupe Westco, Imperial Manufacturing, J.D. Irving Limited, and McCain Foods. If you plan to immigrate to Canada through this program, you must be active in your job search. Visit these companies' websites as often as you can and apply for jobs. The first company we are exploring today is Groupe Savoy Inc. Go to the company's website, scroll down and select careers. This company is always on the lookout for forestry engineers and technicians, welders, mechanics, machinists, industrial maintenance professionals, loader operators, heavy equipment operators, and truck drivers, to name just a few. They provide competitive salaries and benefits as well as a stimulating work environment and constant training to fine-tune their employees' skills. If you are ready for the next step in your career, send them your CV today. Keep on exploring the page. Click Apply here to see current openings. They are looking for a security guard to maintain and protect their site. Are you interested in working as a security guard? Then apply for this job. Successful candidate will be trained. Benefits include life insurance, health and dental insurance, employee and family assistance program. Qualification: be punctual and diligent at work. Apply effort at work. Be resourceful. As you can see, they do not need any certificate for this job. Skills: demonstrate teamwork skills. Be honest and professional. So, you do not need any prior training for this job. This program has both skilled and unskilled jobs. Other jobs opening in this company are Operational Support Assistant. No education or skill needed for this occupation. Housekeeping and Building Maintenance. No education or skill needed for this occupation. Scroll down and read more about the different job vacancies. The second company is Imperial Manufacturing. To see their current job openings, visit their website, click on Careers. Scroll down and select Canada and click Apply now. Let us check this job. They need a custodian to work in the evening. Your responsibility will be to keep our production area and other common areas clean. Qualifications: the successful candidate will possess the following: ability to follow oral and written directions, ability to follow safe work practices, able to work well in a team, be punctual and reliable. Scroll down and apply. This job does not require education or skills. This company is also looking for a ship receiver. They offer on-site training and certification. They are looking for the right candidate to work 12-hour rotating day shift. Skills: being punctual and reliable is required. Qualifications: ability to follow oral and written directions, able to demonstrate the ability to follow safe work practices, ability to prioritize and organize work. This is another job that does not require qualifications. The third company on our list today to check for job openings is J.D. Irving Limited. Visit the company's website and select Careers. View all jobs. There are many job openings now. This company needs shipper receiver, accounts payable analyst, order picker, logistics specialist, farm equipment operator, general laborer, and many more. Visit their websites often for current job openings. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you need more videos like this one, leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.